If you're anything like me, when you're in the market for an exhaust, you want to know what it sounds like in every type of scenario. Just the catback with the downpipe under load, not in load, revving it up, all the situations. If you're in the market for an exhaust and you want to know all those things, this video is for you. It just so happens that we're actually giving away the catback portion of the Unitronic exhaust for the Mark 7 and Mark 7.5 GTIs. We're doing a giveaway on karmaspeed.com. We're sending it to one of you guys. All you have to do is go grab something on karmaspeed.com. That supports the channel in making this content, but also gets you entries to win this exhaust. We're looking forward to calling a winner here soon. On January 6th is when it ends and we pick a winner. Here's all the sounds from a Unitronic exhaust on a GTI. That's good. That's a good start.
Sounds good.
Oh, dude, it's throaty now.